What's going on, guys? I'm Dave Petty, aka DP, and we're on the Golf restoration. Today we'll be installing this and this. Oh yeah. Let's see what it brings, because it wasn't easy. Ooh, had a part haul in the post. Still waiting on one more part, but we got some parts. Echo, get off there, silly poodle. Hello, Diddy. So we have. It'll only be going on when I go on track. You know, it's a decap pipe, so it's not very legal. So it'll be going on, like I said, on track days only. We've got a nice front splitter to match the new front grille. We've got some piping for our oil catch can, because the oil catch can that we got before is not big enough and required these massive hoses because it was a 19mm. We've also got this. This is the silicone air pipe that goes from the airbox to the turbo inlet pipe, so that gives us a lot smoother airflow. The other one's ribbed, like it's got ribs in it, so we're replacing that. And our two rear brake cables have come, and I've got some Brembo rear brake pads which will have to go on as well. So that's the parts haul, and I think what we're going to do is we're going to go and fit the front splitter and actually do this silicone hose, because that's a quick mod. Yeah, and then once that's done, hopefully the oil catch can will turn up tomorrow. It's supposed to be here tomorrow. The pipe wasn't supposed to be here till tomorrow either, but it came today. So, and then once we've done that, we're gonna do the back brakes, the rear handbrake cable, back brake pads, and re-MOT is booked for Thursday. So let's get on with what we got to get on. If you want to get on, get on. First things first, I'm going to replace this horrible pipe here with a lovely silicone replacement. Nice. So you can see this clip's already undone. It's just this big clip here. Brand new mold grips.
Bye.
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 Have fun.
Bye. Wait.
And there's that pipe off. We don't need that anymore. We don't need it. This is backing off these Jubilee clips. So it's got some room to get around. There's that one. That was a struggle. I had to take the whole bracket pretty much off just to get it on there. We also have breather for that pipe there. Totally forgot about. Before that was that pipe went to the airbox. it's a breather pipe for the airbox, and I just had it loose, but obviously I don't want it to suck in anything. So we've got this little breather there, goes in here like that, and we clamp it up. The job's a good one. Alright, so there's my air intake pipe and my breather hose for the breather, which is temporarily located there. I'll just tie it on. I do eventually want to change this to an enclosed airbox for a filter. As you can see, it's got like a form of ram here, but it's like a really small choked little pipe. So once I get an enclosed air filter here, I'm going to run some ducting somehow down to the front grille down here. So we're just going to go get really cold air forced in through the pipe straight to this. No contaminants. That's what we like. I'm going to remove the bumper so I can get on that lip, and we're going to leave the bumper off afterwards because I'm probably going to install front mounted intercooler tomorrow, maybe. See how far we get along with this first. To remove the front bumper, you've got to remove the front grille. I'm not going to bother removing the front grille because it's a pain in the ass to get the bonnet catch thing back on. I don't want to lose the bit. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, should be 5, but we're missing 1. And then under here should be able to just clip that. Yeah, this Torx here, they're all Torx. I'm not sure what one. And then there's some more in that wheel arch, just on the inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll have to turn the wheel so I can do them ones, but it's fairly straightforward. There's no point. There's plenty of videos out there showing you how to do it, so you can look for that if you really get stuck, but it's pretty simple. curse of the video, man. Well, this is not awkward, is it? That was awkward, but they're all out now. Down there, so this should just pop off. And bumper removed. That was painful. Very painful. And what here then? It's pretty clean in there, there's not much crap blocking that radiator. This is the intercooler, the original OEM intercooler. That's going to come out. I've got my intercooler come with the crash bar, so it should just be a case of unbolting that, which I'm assuming is like 1 bolt, 2 bolts, 3 bolts, and then just bolt it in. So we're definitely doing that tomorrow, I reckon, as long as nothing snaps. I'm going to remove the bottom lip. This bit here, look, it's got a big crack in it anyway. So Have a look at the back. And it's got these clips all the way along. So I'm just gonna remove them. So the way you remove these, you gotta push. Try and do this one-handed. You gotta push this behind the clip, push, twist, and then push. And you gotta do that for all of them clips. So I'll be back when I've done that, because that's going to take a while. Well, after almost piercing my leg with a screwdriver, which was nice, the lip's off. That's the old lip. Let's get this new lip, see how it goes on. Assuming it's exactly the same as the way it came off. Pretty mean. And get some mesh for the front bit, black mesh for the front grille bit, that bit and that bit. And it look pretty mean front end. And probably spray it or do something with it. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but there we go. I'm not putting it back on though. Plus, I'm gonna mount the front mounted intercooler tomorrow. So there's another job down in the Mk4 Golf restoration. Please like it and subscribe for more content on that. We will be doing other content soon. This is just a series. This is just what I'm doing with my life at the moment. Like I told someone before, basically everything in here is just mini series, and then you got some generic stuff. So PD130 is a mini series within the channel. So if you like that, you might like something else, you might not. So just keep an eye out for what videos are coming out. It's that simple, it's easy. There might be stuff that you like, there might be stuff that you don't like. So like and subscribe. DPTG TV out.